The Pretoria High Court today ruled that they are not fully convinced whether Grace Mugabe should be joined in as a respondent in the review of government's decision to grant her diplomatic immunity following accusations of assault against her. AfriForum and Gabriella Engels had brought the application to the court, said that they are not fully convinced by the intervention of the Zimbabwean embassy. The court has given Zimbabwean embassy 7 days to respond as to if they will represent Grace or not.
My decision is premised on the fact that the court had not been fully appraised at the hearing of the intervening party status, that is the embassy of the Republic of Zimbabwe. And I now find it necessary to read the order, which is as follows. In this matter, I make the following order. Prayer 1, that the matters referred to the opposed court to be heard as an opposed matter. Prayer 2, leave is granted to the intervening party to file an affidavit within 7 days from this order, if so advised, to set out whether it has a mandate from the second respondent to represent her in respect of the proceedings, Part A of the application, and if not, to set out concisely on what basis it has a right to intervene in these proceedings, namely Part A. Prayer 3, leave is granted to the applicants to file an affidavit in answer to the affidavit filed in terms of paragraph 2 above within 7 days from receipt of such affidavit. Prayer 4, cost of this hearing are reserved.
I'm happy with the order given by Justice Kuvajile. Our intervention, the embassy's intervention in the matter, has been justified in my view. However, I've received instructions from Consul General of the Zimbabwe Embassy. The instructions, and I'll read them out as I've received them. I have read the memorandum by ADV Chitando myself, our counsel of record, and have personally seen various threats made against him while representing the Zimbabwean embassy. The conduct of various individuals in this matter has made the Zimbabwean embassy's future involvement in this matter undesirable. The Zimbabwean embassy, regardless of the outcome of these proceedings, shall no longer participate in these hearings.
The judge ruled that the Zimbabwean embassy will have to file within 7 days an affidavit stating whether they do represent Grace Mugabe or not. And if they do represent Grace Mugabe, then obviously that could create a basis for their proposed intervention. If not, then they will have to make out a case for their proposed intervention in the case, because that was not clear. So effectively that is the gist of the judgment. They will have 7 days to file an affidavit. The applicants will then have 7 days to file an affidavit, and then the matter will be referred to the opposed motion court, where another judge will then hear argument and make a finding.